Hala, matagal-tagal ka na rin hindi nadidiligan.
Oh, debatable. Who's Nico? Who's that?
Gusto mo bang makahanap na? Ang ganda-ganda mong yan. Wala ka? Posible naman.
Of course, meron.
Super pretty mo kaya.
You're beautiful to Ate Perlas. Ate Perlas talaga name mo.
No, Patricia.
Eh, bakit naging Perlas?
Screen name.
Ah, how?
Kasi parang may pinagmulan yan eh. Kasi di ba pinalamutak ko yung perlas ko sa Pilipino?
What's pinalamutak?
Parang pinakaukaw ko. Parang
Anong
tawag kasi doon,
ate? Ang deep naman ng Tagalog mo.
Parang ang hirap naman mag-explain sa'yo, Bea. Parang pinakain mo yung mo, parang yung petals mo, pinakain, ganun.
Petals? Petals? Like flower petals? Yeah. Pinakain?
Yeah.
Row 4.
Oh my God. Uy, Bea, di ko sinasabi. Ngayon ko lang to sinabi sa'yo.
What?
Yun yung ibig sabihin ng perlas.
Okay.
Parang
Ate, buti you answered. I didn't expect that you would accept my invite.
Uy, syempre naman, Bea B. Hello.
Hey, ate, congrats on your endorsements. Grabe, iba.
Thank you.
More to come.
Oo nga kahit nag-meet. Yes. Uy, sana mag-meet na tayo.
I know, right? When are you guys free ba? Grabe din yung schedule nyo eh.
Oo grabe. Parang buong year ata namin inano na nila.
I love it! I'm so proud of you!
Yes, hindi na nga kami nagkikita-kita eh.
Ate, basta bigyan niyo ako ng time that's just like 2 hours yung collab natin.
Sure, no problem. Sinabi mo na kala QD?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for the schedule of Blythe and Danica. And
no worries.
How old are you na, ate?
24.
Really?
Wow. Ikaw, ilan taong ka na?
Yes.
19?
Wow, I'm 21.
Oh, parang ang bata. Parang 18, 19 ka lang. Ganun.
Thank
Sobrang
you. You know I get that a lot.
Yeah.
Thanks. What's your plans tonight, ate?
Maalis. I have a date.
Oh, really? Are you serious?
Not really date naman. Parang parang group kami.
Pero like kasama yung guy mo or what?
Grabe naman sa guy ko. Hindi ko naman yung guy.
I love it, ate. Para lang tayo nag-video chat. Hindi ako nape-pressure kapag kausap kita.
Para tayo nag-video call tas ang daming nanonood. Parang
You're so bait pala,
ang dami
ate.
natin screen record.
True. Who's Nico? Who's Nico, ate? Is he your bebe?
Friend. No. Friend siya ng Timberda.
Really?
Yeah. Friend.
Ate, who's your closest sa Team Barda?
Closest? Si Jenny.
Oh, the one who bent us tissue.
Si Jenny. Siya yung parang pinaka-close. Pero close ko rin sila QD. Pero kasi si Jenny yung una ko na-meet. Tapos si Jenny yung...
Oh, okay. Gets. Ako, I met QD before pa. Like, as in, kasama ko siya mag-inom. Kasama ko siya manlalaki.
Oo nga, nakikwento niya. Ay, joke lang.
But I'd say, hindi ako lalaki.
Mabait ka na. Di ka ba like, nagbabar ngayon lately?
Once a month, so that people will miss me. When they see me, they're like, ay, minsan lang siya nandito. Ganon.
Kasi kapag araw-araw, magsasawa.
Yeah, pero you know what? Kasi I'm a student kasi. So like, I like going to the bars near my area. Kasi I feel like a normal student, like, walang nagvi-video. Pagka kasi sa sikat na bar, parang hindi ko na siya na-enjoy kasi a lot are watching. Pero kapag like sa malapit lang, feel ko talaga na student ako.
Totoo.
Hirap ng buhay, no? Ay, sorry ate.
Okay lang. Kami nga rin dati, di ba, parang sabi ko, parang pangarap ko magano. Ngayon parang hindi na kami din nakakakain sa mga
Right? Ate, like, honestly, it's so hard kasi a part of Bea B is... Ay! Ayan na si Fukarat!
Oh my God!
Hi, Fukarat!
I really like you.
Fukarat! Are you free on Wednesday?
I think so, yes.
I'll sundo you!
Okay.
We, promise.
Pero,
Promise.
pero let me check again my schedule kasi napapaiba-iba yung schedule ko Sorry.
Okay, it's okay. I get you.
I love you.
Basta let's kita, ha? I'm so tampo na sa'yo.
Ha?
I'm so tampo na sa'yo.
Uy, ginaganyan mo si Bea, no?
Ha?
Yeah! I'm sanay na Ate Perlas.
Sanay na siya sa akin. Kami ni Cutie.
Wait, I'm making kwento kay Ate Perlas.
I have a lot of chismis to you.
Really?
Dahil sa like, hindi mo maakalaing yun. Yes!
How many fingers am I holding?
Are you okay, Bea? Hindi ka naman parang naka-shot.
I'm free right now. Do you
Okay
want to
lang
go to
ikaw,
the bar?
Bea?
Like we're going to drink?
Oh my God! Ate Perlas, what did you say po?
Are you okay lang naman?
Me? No, I'm going crazy. Like, I'm going crazy talaga.
Hala. Baka need mo ng kausap.
Yeah, that's why I'm on live. Sabi ko, magla-live na lang ako kasi I'm going crazy na eh. Kausap
What
ka.
happened? What happened, Bea?
Wala, may namimiss lang ako.
Ay. Sobrang OA mo.
Bukirat, if we're gonna labas tonight, I don't wanna go kasi yung sa lagi namin pinupuntahan. I just wanna go to a low-key bar.
Come on, let's go.
But it depends because I don't go out without a table. So,
Huh?
Without a table, naman sa mga bar, di ba parang may mga table sometimes kasi...
I got you. I will pay.
No, it's not that kasi. Like, table, like sometimes
Loki lang.
just
Gusto
your
niya Loki.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine. And if you want to go in the Violet,
It's Baile.
Ano yung guys?
like that's done.
Ate Perlas, legit question, like kay QD tsaka Fukarat, buti hindi ka nababaliw, no? Ako kasi honestly, nababaliw ako. Like, I thought I was crazy na, pero...
Sila yung nababaliw sa akin.
Hindi talaga.
Really?
We are value all.
Mas nababaliw sila sa akin.
Really?
Nonchalant lang ako dito, pero pag nakasama mo ako, mas mababaliw ka sa akin.
Yes. Perlas is very wild in person.
Oh, Ate Perlas, where are you from po?
Pampanga.
Pampanga.
Ay, oh my God, so layo.
Bea, what is your plan?
I'm
Pero
not
I
sure,
have
it
condo in
depends.
QC. I have condo in QC naman.
Bea, I miss if I'm the one who invite you, you're not accepting and you invite me. I'm sad.
No, kasi, okay, so like, di ba,
Like just a couple of hours, like 2 hours, we're going to Chica and everything that you give.
Ano oras na?
Because I'm free right now, I'm super free.
yeah, but the thing is, I don't go out kasi without a table. So like, I'm asking my friend if there's a table. You don't need to pay for anything because I can pay for it. But the thing is, I want to go out with a table. Do you get it?
Okay, get the table.
Yeah, the thing is kasi sometimes it's always booked.
We'll going to... Yes! Okay.
I just wanna party kasi Kasi like a place na puro, you know, mga...
I have a lot of chika kasi to you. I don't want to drink but I have a lot of
Mike,
chika.
Mike got a table na?
Oh,
Mike
go.
got a table?
May table siya?
I don't know, ask him. Why did you say let's go?
Let's go. Sabi ko, Gina, party na tayo.
Yeah, ask Mike if he got a table though. I'm on live. Ate Perlas, were you calling me?
No. I'm just shocked.
Why?
No, because English ka talaga sa personal, marami ka
Tagalog
mag-English.
siya.
It depends, ate. It depends on my mood. But like, I can switch.
Hindi siya.
Okay, if we meet, kapag nag-meet tayo lahat, we will bring our own table na lang on the bar. What do you
Ay.
think?
It's
Pwede
going to be
naman.
inconvenient.
Fukarat, were you here last week?
Yeah.
Dapat pala sinama ko kayo kasi lumabas kami last week nila Blight and Danica.
You don't tell me. Oh my God. I
I
really
didn't know you were here.
No, Blight. I love you, Blight. Please. No.
Okay, Rat, saan ka pupunta?
Sa bar nga.
Which bar are you going to?
On what? Ay, nahihirapan ako sa iyo, Bea. Tagalog na lang talaga.
Saan bar ka
Tagalog na lang tayo dito, Bea.
Kung saan mo gusto, doon tayo mag-chika.
No, if we're going to a bar, we're not gonna make chika because we're gonna party. Make chika because we're gonna party. We're gonna
Okay.
party.
Party.
Oh my God,
Kasi
Bea,
hindi ka
please, give me the
makakapag-chismis sa bar kasi maingay.
Yes. Bea. I hate you.
You went to Yes Please, right? That's really my place. But then, I don't wanna go there tonight because may mga tinataguan akong people.
Ay. Ano ka pala? A hiding person.
Ate Pat, people are saying you're in QC.
Yeah, I have condo in QC eh.
Yes.
I mean, they're saying that you're there in QC now.
Yes.
Eh, why did you say na nasa Pampanga ka? Ayaw mo akong makita?
Akala ko, tinatanong mo kung saan ako tira, Pampanga, sinagot
Yes,
ko.
correct.
Don't you wanna sama, Ate Perlas?
Tara na, te.
Oh, may lakad ako ngayon.
Ay. Okay. Bea, let's talk.
Wait, okay, let's talk. Pero
Meron akong lakad eh, nakapag-commit na kasi ako eh.
Ate, why are you
Ay.
smiling like that?
No, it's just...
Who did you commit to?
Yeah.
No,
Stop it.
it's just me, myself, and I.
Colorado till I die.
Yeah.
Oh, ang dami yung mga commitments sa buhay, ah. Hindi ko na alam yun.
I miss you.
I miss you too. Come on, let's see each other.
Okay, let me just get a table first.
Okay. Don't worry, Bea. I have a lot of chika to you that you can... Yes. Oh my God.
Like what?
Like you never getting a dull moment to me because my
Of
mother is
course,
not...
you know what? Never. When we were together, parang never naman ako nagkaroon ng dull moment with you.
Sabi niya, Fukarat, my social battery is getting low because of you. Sobrang ikaw doon na nga sa malayo, Bea. Huwag mo akong ginaganyan-ganyan, ha. I love you, Bea.
I love you.
Do you know what, Bea? This is honestly, Chares, this is an honest saying.
Ako to, okay lang.
You know what, before, Bea, I'm one of your fans before.
Really?
Before,
We are
not
big
now.
fan, yes. And right now,
Not now?
Right now, I'm Fukarat's fan.
it's before, but right now, I'm your small fan because I'm like the...
Now I'm a fan of yours.
Oh my God, it's so overwhelming.
Yeah, I love you, Fukarat and Ate Perlas.
And
I love you, we love you too. Hope na magkita-kita tayo.
Yan, hindi ka nag-I love you, hindi mo sa
Sabi ng oras. Bibigyan kita ng oras talaga.
Ewan ko dyan.
Iga-cancel ko para sa'yo.
Oras,
Ganyan kita
oras.
ka-love.
Oh my God, thank you sa nagsasend. Do you receive gift, Bea? Because
Yeah, but
because
what
if
I
someone
do-
give gift to me and there are tough gifter, I follow them back.
No, what I do is when people give me gifts, I re-gift it to those who go live.
Also me.
Sick.
Also.
Who are sick, ganon. Because I can't withdraw the gifts eh. So
Because you have black card.
I just regalo it.
Oh, wait. Can you regalo also me when I'm doing live?
No, you already have so much gifts there.
Thank you so much.
People, you know, other people, need it. Parang nahirapan ako mag-English sa'yo, Binya. Alam mo ba? Magaling ako mag-English, pero pag ikaw kausap ko talaga, nawawala talaga ang
Ate, you know what?
Yeah, it's okay that this is my outfit lang.
Yeah, but it's kind of mainit. And I'm not sure pa. Kasi it depends if we have a table.
Bea, if you're not coming with me, I will get mad. I will get tampu on you.
No, because I really don't like going out without a table because I don't want to be a palaboy-laboy sa bar.
No, it's not pala.
Yeah, that's true, Bea. That's true. Much better kapag naka-book ka talaga. Kasi like, you're pagala-gala in the bar. Like,
Yeah, oh my
talaga?
God. Honestly, I really judge people who are palaboy-laboy sa bar. And then, kasi like, I swear, Ate Perlas, it's so funny talaga. Like, they don't know what to do. Nandun lang sila nakatayo. So I'm like, ano ba itong mga to? And mostly mga basketball players pa yung nakikita kong ganon.
But sometimes it's good if you are alone and you're just getting gala-gala into the bar because someone will ask you, do you want to drink and do you want to go in the... oh my God!
But the thing is though, kasi I'm so over that. Like, siguro before when I was young, sige free. But then, right now kasi, I can like do it na eh.
Really?
Kasi ako naglalag ba?
Bea, come on, please. Where are you right now?
I'm in my family's house.
Where is that?
In QC.
Oh my God, it's so near.
I know.
In Pasig.
I know. I can even sundo you, but it really depends if I get a table.
Okay, get some table.
But if
you
we,
don't
don't worry,
you.
Bea. If we meet each other, we will bring our own tables.
Oh yes, that's the best decision.
I want a Hello Kitty table, ate, ha?
Right. Sure. Yeah. See,
You know what? Before, I am scared of Hello Kitty.
Why?
I'm just
Bakit?
scared.
No, Hello Kitty ang matakot sa'yo.
Bea, hindi ko na nga binanatan ng ganun. Ikaw bumanat.
Sana ma-edit.
Si Bea
Wow,
walang
wow.
pakialam yan kahit ma-edit siya.
Okay lang.
I don't care anymore. I'm so sanay na sa mga bashers. Like, they can... My God! Namatay na
Yeah,
yung
you hurt
parents
my
ko. Sa tingin
feelings.
niyo, ma-hurt
You hurt
niyo
my
pa ako. Anyways.
But you hurt my feelings, Bea. You said I'm...
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Did I actually hurt your feelings?
You hurt me if you didn't get a booking the table.
Pero, Fukirat, medyo hawig mo si Suneo. Yung tropa ni...
Oh my God! May nagsan ng gift!
Yung tropa ni Doraemon, Fukirat. Si Suneo. Pero, kamukha niya lang naman, di ba? Kamukha mo naman, di ba?
Wait, I actually don't know who that is. Can you search? Can I box it?
Pina-search mo.
Suneo. Kamukha niya lang, pero, uy, gwapo si Suneo, ha?
Yes.
Suneo? Tropa ni
Yeah.
Doraemon?
Yes,
Suneo,
tropa siya
ang
ni
dami.
Doraemon, si Suneo.
Ang babaeng uwak.
Hindi siya babae ata eh. Parang boy.
I think he's a cat. Is he? Like, he's a magic cat.
Suffer.
Ate, what's the name?
Suneo or Nobita, I don't know eh. You can search Nobita, kung sino na lang yung kamukha niya, yun.
Yes. Trollales. Through the rain and through the fire, through the very heat.
Yes! Tete, pa-check ako kung naka-live pa siya.
This one, ate.
Yeah. What is your plan?
How do I switch? Ito, ate.
Bea, what is your plan?
Ay, hindi yan yung isa yun, yung parang yung kaaway nila lagi.
What's the name again? Sueno?
Suneo. Sino ba yun, guys? Suneo. Yan! Di ba? Tignan mo, Fukirat.
Grabe ka, te.
Yun Uy! Super cute ni Suneo, no?
Tatawa si Bea. Bea,
Si Suneo, super Bea, I'm about to leave na kasi, naka-ready na sila eh. Nagre-ring na sila sa iPad. So,
Okay, bye guys. I love you all.
I
Fukirat,
love
I'll
you,
call you.
Bea.
I'll call you, Fukirat.
Call me.